Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of unofficial toy scuba divers with boats from the 1980s to early 1990s. As you can see, I have white, green, blue and red scuba divers. And then you also got these scuba divers that actually came with diving fins and a scuba tank that you can actually put on and take off. Unfortunately, the diving fins are not available for review. And also, welcome to my channel's 3rd birthday. So in this video, I'm showing you these beautiful unofficial toy scuba divers and boats. And also, still to come is more Lego videos, and there will be more toy videos, and also there's much more still to come. And I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel and that's been watching my videos since 2022 through now. Thank you very much for your support, and also I really appreciate everybody that watches the videos and subscribes, and may this journey continue even further than the 3 years. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.